Now we know that you have options when it comes to a PDM environment. You have 3D Experience in NoviaWorks. You may also have heard it called Cloud Services. There's PDM Standard and PDM Professional. We're going to talk about EquivaQ products, and we also have Solidworks Manage. Now with all these different options, there's some overlapping technology, there's similarities, there's differences, and it's really difficult to kind of go through all the weeds of these products to know exactly what you need or what you're getting. So let's just do a quick rundown of each of these products. So 3D Experience is a cloud-based data management software, meaning it's 100% accessed through a web browser. If your company is currently using OneDrive, Dropbox, or some equivalent software, 3D Experience may be a great solution for you because 3D Experience can manage SOLIDWORKS references in a way that those other softwares cannot, and it is specifically designed to be a multi-user collaborative environment. We see this as a great solution for small to medium teams, although large teams have used it as well. This is definitely out of the box. Because it is included with all SOLIDWORKS licenses, it could already be set up and ready to go for you to utilize. Now, PDM Standard is an on-premise solution, meaning we have to install software on a server. We do consider this to be more of an entry-level PDM system, being a great solution for small and medium teams. What's also really good to know about PDM Standard is that there is a very simple upgrade path to PDM Pro should you ever need it. PDM Standard licenses are automatically included with SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium. Again, this may already be something that you have available. PDM Pro is the next level, which is an enterprise level PDM system. We see this as a great solution fitting medium to large teams. Couple main items of PDM Pro in comparison to Standard is the level of automation that it offers and how scalable it truly is with the SQL environment and the software. Now, EquivaQ, if you've never heard of EquivaQ, this is a proprietary set of PDM Professional Addins owned by MLC CAD Systems. This is not a specific Dassault Systems product. You may not be able to buy this anyplace else. But there are a series of a la carte add-ins for PDM Pro that extend and enhance PDM Professional's functionality. There's also a separate software called Atlas, which does give dashboarding capabilities to both PDM Standard and Professional. The Atlas dashboards are SQL query based, which is why we can utilize them in either of the Standard or Professional environments. And then we have Solidworks Manage. Solidworks Manage, again, is an extension of PDM Professional. It is a PLM add-on software that runs on top of PDM Professional. This does have built-in dashboarding capabilities that are 100% integrated into the software, but this also gives you much more functionality in project management, Gantt charts, BOM management. You can do a lot more with editing and managing bill of materials in Manage. You also have item management and the ability to manage a lot of different business processes. So SOLIDWORKS Manage is great for very large teams or complete corporations that are looking to unify a lot of their correspondence and a lot of their data.